Be 2 weeks ready. Emergency Management, Activity 28. Follow along on Toolkit, page 87.
Activity 28. Meet your local emergency manager. Goal: understand what your local emergency management office does and what resources it has available to help you be 2 weeks ready. Local emergency management services are essential to a strong community. Encourage your household to connect with your local emergency management office to learn more about area hazards and how you can prepare. This can include visiting your local and state emergency management websites. Follow your city and county's emergency management office on social media. Consider posting a question or tag them on your Be 2 Weeks Ready journey. Ask your local emergency management agency about local resources for more information or volunteer opportunities. The goal here is to be in the know and prepared for what might happen in the place you call home.